Are you a woodworker looking for projects you can make for profit? There are several wood furniture and wooden decor pieces ideas you can use to do just that. In addition, wooden craft projects are great additions to any home decor. Decorating your home is a significant endeavor that goes beyond mere aesthetics. It reflects your personality, lifestyle, and values. The process of transforming a house into a home involves much more than selecting colors, furniture, and accessories. It is an opportunity to create an environment that fosters comfort, promotes well-being, and enhances the overall quality of life. The importance of home decoration can be understood through various lenses, including emotional, psychological, social, and functional aspects. First and foremost, the emotional impact of a well-decorated home cannot be overstated. Our living spaces profoundly influence how we feel. A home that is thoughtfully decorated can evoke feelings of happiness, tranquility, and contentment. The colors, textures, and arrangement of objects all contribute to the mood of a space. For example, warm colors like yellows and oranges can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while cool tones like blues and greens can promote calmness and relaxation. By carefully selecting decor that resonates with your emotions and preferences, you can create a sanctuary that nurtures your mental well-being. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wood furniture ideas and wood decorative pieces ideas you can make for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, your home is a reflection of your identity and personal history. The items you choose to display, whether they are family photos, travel souvenirs, or pieces of art, tell a story about who you are and what matters to you. This personalization not only makes your space unique, but also fosters a sense of belonging and pride. When you walk into a space that represents your journey and experiences, it reinforces your connection to your home and enhances your sense of self. A well-decorated home can serve as a canvas for self-expression, allowing you to showcase your tastes, interests, and values. In addition to emotional benefits, decorating your home has a profound psychological effect on your well-being. Research has consistently shown that our environments impact our mental health. Cluttered or poorly designed spaces can lead to feelings of stress and anxiety, while well-organized and aesthetically pleasing environments can promote relaxation and focus. When your home is decorated in a way that feels harmonious and balanced, it can create a positive atmosphere that encourages productivity and creativity. This is particularly important in spaces where you work or engage in hobbies, as a well-designed environment can enhance concentration and inspiration. Furthermore, the act of decorating itself can be a therapeutic and fulfilling experience. Engaging in the design process allows for creativity and self-discovery. Whether you're painting walls, arranging furniture, or selecting decor items, the experience can be both enjoyable and empowering. Taking the time to curate your space can lead to a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. This process of creating a home that reflects your vision and style can be a form of self-care, providing an opportunity to focus on your needs and preferences in a busy world. Socially, home decoration plays a crucial role in how we connect with others. Our homes are often the backdrop for gatherings, celebrations, and everyday interactions with family and friends. A well-decorated space can create an inviting atmosphere that encourages socialization and connection. When your home feels warm and welcoming, it becomes a place where relationships can flourish. Thoughtful decor can set the tone for gatherings, making guests feel comfortable and at ease. Whether hosting a dinner party or simply enjoying a cozy evening with loved ones, the ambience created by your decor can significantly enhance the experience. The importance of decorating your home extends to its functional aspects as well. A well-designed space can improve your daily routines and streamline your activities. For example, thoughtful kitchen layouts, organized storage solutions, and comfortable living areas can enhance efficiency and ease of use. When your home is decorated with functionality in mind, it becomes more than just a place to live. It transforms into a space that supports your lifestyle and daily needs. This functional approach to decoration can lead to increased satisfaction in how you interact with your environment, ultimately contributing to a higher quality of life. Another significant aspect of home decoration is its potential to increase property value. A well-decorated and maintained home can attract potential buyers and increase its market appeal. The first impression a home makes can be pivotal in real estate, and an aesthetically pleasing environment can significantly impact how a property is perceived. While personal tastes may vary, neutral and tasteful decor can appeal to a broader audience, making it easier to sell a home in the future. Investing in home decoration can therefore be seen as a strategic financial decision, enhancing both the enjoyment of your living space and its value over time. Moreover, the way you decorate your home can influence its energy efficiency and sustainability. Thoughtful design choices, such as selecting eco-friendly materials, optimizing natural light, and incorporating energy-efficient appliances, can lead to more sustainable living. By putting effort into creating an environmentally friendly home, you contribute to the well-being of the planet while simultaneously improving your living conditions. This commitment to sustainability can also be reflected in your decor choices, showcasing your values and encouraging others to consider similar practices. Additionally, the importance of home decoration can be seen in its ability to foster a sense of community. When you create a space that is inviting and reflective of your values, it can inspire others to do the same. A beautifully decorated home can serve as a gathering place for friends and family, fostering connections and relationships. By sharing your space and inviting others in, you contribute to a sense of belonging and community. This social aspect of home decoration reinforces the idea that our living environments are not just personal sanctuaries, but also spaces where connections are formed and nurtured. As trends in home decor continue to evolve, the importance of staying attuned to these changes cannot be overlooked. Keeping your home decor fresh and reflective of current styles can enhance your enjoyment of the space and ensure it remains relevant. Engaging with design trends allows for ongoing creativity and inspiration, making the process of decorating a dynamic and evolving journey. This adaptability to change can keep your home feeling vibrant and aligned with your personal growth and changing tastes. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wood furniture ideas and wood decorative pieces ideas you can make for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.